65 liter plus 10 liter backpacking backpack. As you can see, the Mardingtop Adventure 65 plus 10 liter backpack is pretty big and it holds a lot. For example, I have a Surviveware First Aid Kit right here. If you want to see the review of the Surviveware First Aid Kit, please look for the link in the description below. I'll send you right there for that review. It's an excellent first aid kit. I have a camping shovel that I reviewed in another video. I have a cold weather sleeping bag right here. And inside the bag, I have 2 sleeping bags, I have a sleeping pad, and I also have a camping table on the side. So it holds a lot, and it's still not even full, by the way. There's a lot of great features about this backpack. They have very strong clips on the bag, and that's how you open the top of the bag. I'm going to take the sleeping bag out. Again, that was a cold weather sleeping bag, so that's a lot. It has an extra 10 liters from these extra side bags, which do detach, and they open from the top. The zippers. This one's empty right now, but you can see that there's even more space to carry stuff. We open up the top flap of the Mardingtop Adventure 65 liter bag, and as you notice, it has a nice drawstring right here. Just can seal everything up. And it is a reinforced frame on the back of the backpacking backpack. But here we have a T&H Outdoors lightweight sleeping pad, which I'll review in another video. Look for the link in the description below if you'd like to see that review. We also have a Forbidden Road warm weather compact sleeping bag, so I'm going to review that in another video. All these links will be in the description of this video, by the way. We also have a BioLite CampStove 2 in there. I did do a video review on this. If you'd like to see that review, please look for the link in the description below. I was also able to put in a Forbidden Road cold weather sleeping bag. I'll be reviewing that. Again, I'll leave a link in the description on that sleeping bag. Finally, if you look down in the bag, there's actually another drawstring on the bottom because you can load stuff from the bottom. So we're going to look at that next. Zipper for the bottom of the Mardingtop Adventure 65 plus 10 liter backpacking backpack is right here to access the bottom. Just unzipper it. It's a handy feature to fill at the bottom. And as you can see, I have a camping pillow there. It's the plain Jane camping pillow. If you'd like to see the review for this, please look for the link in the description below. I also have a warm weather Besteam sleeping bag. It goes down to 48 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's definitely warm weather. But if you want to see that review, look at the link in the description below. I also have a Trekology camping pillow. Again, I did a review on this, so again, look at the link in the description below if you want to see the review of that. And I also have the bigger Trekology camping pillow, and that's what I stuffed in the bottom here, because that's stuff I wouldn't need until I'm setting up camp. So if you'd like to see the review of the Trekology big camping pillow, please look for the link in the description below. It has a drawstring right here, so you can use the whole backpack as one, or you can have a sub-compartment, which is what I did. Now the Mardingtop Adventure 65 plus 10 liter backpacking backpack is weatherproof. It's not waterproof, but it does repel water. And the great thing is that it actually comes with a rain cover, which is stored on the bottom of the bag. Just unzip this compartment here, pull it right out. And this can go right around the bag in case there's rain in your area. It's also highly visible. If you have an emergency or something and you need to be seen better, you can actually use this rain cover to have your backpack show up better. But it's done everything, and it tucks away for easy storage when you don't need it. It's right back in the bottom pocket. And zippers up for easy storage. The Mardingtop has been around for quite a while, since the 80s. They've been selling these products for a long time, so they have a lot of experience in the field. And what makes the 65 liter plus 10 liter bag special is that it has these special rip-away pockets on the side. And this is what the plus 10 liters means. These pockets will rip right off if you need them. And they have a zipper on this side, and you can take them right off. I'm not going to totally detach it, but you can see that it's got Velcro and some straps. And you can take these right off, use it as a separate compartment, or have it for items that you want to have to pull off the backpack itself. And that gives you extra storage on the side. It's very comfortable to wear. So the Mardingtop has a special suspension system. You can actually adjust this for your height. This has a Velcro, and you can move this up and down. They give you directions with it, but it just goes through those loops, and you can go large, medium, or small. I leave it the way it is because it works fine just for me. Has a fully padded waistband. The reason why I got it is because I'm not backpacking yet, but I plan to maybe backpack in the future. But it holds all my camping equipment for when I want to camp out, even if it's on the front yard of my son Zach. So this carries everything I need. It's one fell swoop. I get everything to the tent, and we're fine. Great thing about the outside of the Mardingtop Adventure 65 plus 10 liter bags, it has all these Molle Straps, which is what I have these things attached to. First aid kit, you can rip it right off, easy access. I have the camping shovel with the fire starter, a knife and everything, just in this big loop right here. There's a Velcro loop on both sides, so that's what I use. So again, it holds all the equipment I need. And finally, I am also able to have a lightweight camping table on the side, and I still have another pocket to tie around over here. So if you'd like to purchase your Mardingtop Adventure 65 plus 10 liter backpacking backpack, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support, and you just want to say thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more like it. And have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.